morning children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will be doing English part 2 of poem If I Were an Apple. Okay, I hope you all have understood that poem in the last class. We had already discussed it. I hope you all have learned it. है ना, लर्न किया है, कुछ लाइन्स लर्न किए. आई नो पूरी ये पोएम लर्न नहीं हुई होगी, बट कुछ लाइन लर्न की होगी, है ना. So let us first revise it what we had done yesterday. Okay, हमने कल क्या पढ़ा था उसको एक बार वापस से रिवाइज करेंगे. The poem was If I were an apple. अगर मैं एक एप्पल होता. ये कौन बोल रहा है? एक छोटा सा लड़का बोल रहा है ना. If I were an apple and grew on a tree, I think I would drop down on a nice boy like me. I wouldn't stay there giving nobody joy. I would fall down at once and would say, eat me, my boy. तो इसमें लड़का क्या सोच रहा है कि अगर मैं एक एप्पल होता और पेड़ पे उगता तो मैं तुरंत नीचे गिर जाता. किस पे? एक अच्छे से लड़के पे. जैसे कि मैं एक अच्छा सा बच्चा हूँ वैसे ही मैं किसी अच्छे बच्चे पे मैं गिर जाता. मैं पेड़ पे नहीं रहता, किसी को खुशी नहीं देता, वैसा काम नहीं करता. मैं तुरंत नीचे गिर जाता वो बच्चे पे और उसको बोलता कि मेरे को खा लो. Eat me, my boy. Okay, I hope you all have understood this poem, children. Last class also I had explained this poem. Today also I have revised this. Now let us move on to the next part. We had done the hard words. There were 5 hard words, right? What were they? Grew, drop, down, fall and joy. These were the 5 hard words that we did in our last class. Today we will be doing fill in the blanks. There are 2 fill in the blanks in your book. Okay, this fill in the blanks you need to write it down in your English notebook. ये आपको English की notebook में लिखना है. Okay, and 2 question answers are there which I will tell you in this class. Okay, now the first one is, if I were a bird, I would dash. अगर मैं एक बर्ड होता तो मैं क्या करता? FLY fly, CRY cry. Fly मतलब उड़ना और cry मतलब रोना. ओके, सो if I were a bird, अगर मैं बर्ड होता तो मैं क्या करता? उड़ता, है ना. So here we are going to tick this fly and would write here I would fly. ठीक है, बर्ड क्या करती है? फ्लाई करती है ना. So I would fly. If I were a bee, bee मतलब हनी बी होती है ना, ब्लैक कलर की भौरा जिसको बोलते हैं हम लोग, जो पेड़ फ्लावर्स पे आपको जनरली देखने को मिलता है. बजिंग साउंड आता है ना उसमें से. So if I were a bee, I would buzz और chirp. Chirp मतलब जो ची 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 चिड़िया करती है ना, तो उसके साउंड को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? chirp. बज मतलब हनी भी जैसे बजिंग करती है ना, ऐसे आवाज आता होगा. ब्लैक कलर के भौरे को आप लोग जब देखते होंगे, है ना. सो इफ आई वर अ बी आई वुड बज. सो हियर वी आर गोइंग टू राइट BUZZ buzz. Okay, this you need to write down in your English notebook. After writing the poem, then you had written hard words. The third thing which you need to write is the fill in the blanks. These 2 fill in the blanks you need to write it in your English notebook. If I were a bird, I would fly. If I were a bee, अगर मैं एक bee होता तो I would buzz. ऐसे आवाज आता है ना, ठीक है. So these 2 you need to write it. Next that we are going to do is the 2 question answers which I have given it here, which you need to do it in your English notebook. Okay. Okay children, so these are the 2 question answers that you need to do it. Okay, the first one is, where is the apple? Apple कहाँ था? पेड़ पे था, है ना. So you are going to write the apple is the T capital. The first letter of the sentence will always be capital. The apple is on the tree. T-R-E-E, tree, full stop. Okay, the apple is on the tree. Next, where is the boy? Where was the boy? Under the tree. Tree के नीचे खड़ा था ना boy. So the boy, T capital, the boy is under the T-R-E-E, tree, full stop. The boy is under the tree. Okay, so these two question answers you need to learn and also write it in your English notebook. So where is the apple? The apple is on the tree. Where is the boy? The boy is under the tree. ठीक है, to fill in the blanks, two question answers in this part. Okay, in this poem. Now we have already completed the poem. You need to learn this for your exam. You need to learn the hard words. You need to learn the fill in the blanks and also the question answers. Okay children, I hope you all have understood this poem. Thank you. Have a nice day.